Hello, my name is Jefferson. I am 26 years old Paraguayan, and I'm studying electrical engineering and passionate about technologies and sensors, and don't speak English very well. I am coined and hope user computer designer simple programs and solve math problems else. I drawing winds and playing soccer. My dating routines. I am usually getting up 6:30. I am short, 10 and have breakfast with my family. I am work morning talking friend. I was studying and times and someone's watch movie and I never got to like Durant the week because never to hunting else like and dislike. I like listening to music and learning new thing. I love spend time with my friends and family and don't look and not like running people and had will well and later description and place. I mean room and is conforming birds and learning destiny. Learn and do windows and the words in because my computer is the tradition and my wood are next the als as mates plants and the windows is and kids and relax pleasant do stooling. My fields are winds and kill and fun and lake and because and there as once met my family is loving and hard working and also and working. Spent the time with what is your burning in what it is short and become fast. Where is he doing studying and Continental University? What it does lie with in with more of do you play start usually play soccer and the season and with Latin year and to Cusco and with family. It was amazing and tip we visiting Machu Picchu and do is photos and people were fins and the food was delicious and in years learning about Inca culture and history. My wits and descendants.